Saludos a toda la afición del Lucha Libre Online. Este que les habla es Michael Morales Torres, integrante del equipo del Lucha Libre Online. Y aquí tenemos de invitado especial directamente desde India, representando a la CWE, la empresa del Great Khali. Badshah Khan llega aquí por primera vez a Lucha Libre Online, acompañado por su traductora Ariana. Badshah, it's an honor for us to have you as our guest, as well as Ariana, even though we cannot see her. How are both of you doing today?
Fine. He's doing good. He's saying that he's good. And in this pandemic, a lot of stress, but he is on a workout and hard work as he has his own dreams, but have to take care about good health and all.
Perfect. I'm really glad to have you both here as our guests. I wanted to start this interview asking you, Jammu and Kashmir is not a region known for its pro wrestling legacy. Badshah Khan was actually the first wrestler to ever come from that region in India as a wrestler. So I wanted to ask you, how did everything started for you? What hooked you from the pro wrestling industry to decide to do this as a profession?
सर पूछ रहे हैं, आप जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से हो, वहाँ रेसलिंग का कोई भी कंसेप्ट नहीं है, तो आपने कैसे सोचा कि आप रेसलर बनोगे?
उसको ये बता कि मुझे बचपन से शौक था, मैं देखता था रेसलिंग। तो उसके बाद से जब हमारे जो खली सर है उन्होंने एकेडमी खोली जलंधर में, तो मुझे एक बहुत बड़ा मौका मिला। तो उसके बाद से मैंने अपने रेसलिंग का करियर स्टार्ट किया। ये मेरे लिए बहुत हार्ड टाइम था, अपने घर वालों को मनाना और ये सब चीज़ों में आना। तो
Okay. As we all know that India is an underdeveloping country, and unfortunately it belongs to the unprivileged remote area of Jammu and Kashmir, where actually people don't have concept regarding wrestling or WWE. But he got inspired by the great Khali after watching him on TV. And since his childhood, he worked a lot and had a dream. He wanted to be a famous wrestler like him and want to join WWE since he was just 13. After that, he worked hard, but financial conditions were very low, but he was not that up to mark to go outside in India and work hard for his dream. But he never gave up. He tried a lot, and somehow he convinced his parents that it's a good way he can, because our parents have only one way of understanding that only you can earn through reading and writing or education. It's the only way where you can earn. But through games or sports, it's a new thing for them as well, because he belongs to a remote area. It was very tough to make them convenient with that as well.
Parents in both Latin America and India have something in common, and it's that they are overprotective with their children. How did Badshah Khan convince his parents to let him, hey, I want to be a wrestler? The professional wrestling itself, it's a profession that is not, respected in many countries because of, they see it as something like art or sports, or they don't earn as much money as they should. So how did Badshah Khan convince his parents to enter to the pro wrestling industry?
हाँ सर, बता रहे हैं जैसे पेरेंट्स का होता है कि बच्चे पढ़ाई लिखाई से ही कमाते हैं। अब स्पोर्ट्स का आप बता रहे हो, क्योंकि मैंने सर को बताया कि मुझे आपको घर वालों को भी कन्विंस करना पड़ा। तो आपने वो चीज कैसे की? आपने क्या दिखाया अपने घर वालों को, उनको कैसे समझाया?
उनको मैंने सबसे पहले भरोसा दिलाया कि हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ, मुझे एक मौका दो। तो उसके बाद से मेरे पापा यहाँ आए, उन्होंने देखी, तो उसके बाद से पापा ने बोला कि हाँ बेटा तो जा सकता है। अब तो उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ आया तो तब मुझे एक मौका दिया मेरे पापा ने, फाइनेंशियली मुझे सपोर्ट किया, तो तब जाके मैं अब ये रेसलिंग कर पा रहा हूँ।
It was very hard for him to make his parents understand, because it is something which make you famous. So they think he's doing for girls or gaining attention or all for that. So what he did, he took his father with him and told him that there is an academy, CWE, where he visit himself. And when he got inspired, okay, it's someone who is himself a very huge personality. He will teach him, he will coach him very well. After that, only that his father allowed him with his financial acceptance and all.
Wow. You grow up idolizing the great Khali. both the wrestler and the human, Dalip Singh. How do you felt meeting him in person for the first time?
हाँ सर पूछ रहे हैं द ग्रेट खली के साथ मिलके आपको कैसा लगा?
मुझे सबसे पहले यकीन तो नहीं आ रहा था कि मैं खली सर से मिला, और वो मुझे मतलब इतने बड़े दुनिया के सबसे बड़े रेसलर है, उनसे मुझे मौका मिला एक तो फेस टू फेस बात करने का, और ऊपर से वो मेरे कोच, मतलब वो मुझे ट्रेन कर रहे हैं अभी। उनका मैं सबसे बेस्ट रेसलर मतलब बेस्ट स्टूडेंट हूँ अभी मैं यहाँ एकेडमी का उनका, और सबसे अच्छा स्टूडेंट हूँ मैं यहाँ का। तो मैं बता नहीं सकता कि मेरी फीलिंग्स क्या है, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, मतलब बता नहीं सकता।
Yeah, for him it was like a dream come true, and he was seeing his ideal person in front of him. No doubt he was his coach, but he tested him a lot and made him to work a lot. And now today, Alhamdulillah, is among toughest player of CWE, who is very tough to knock down and all. And recently he has become a national champion, and he has of course his coach has worked a lot on him, and he too, they both go hand in hand, and he's very happy that the great Khali sir is his coach.
So let's talk about that. Before heading to CWE to be a professional wrestler yourself, you had to train, and the train process is more difficult than anyone expects it to be. How do you manage to adapt yourself into the training style of the Great Khali and CWE itself? How was training in India for you?
अच्छा सर बता रहे हैं आपका प्रोफेशन जो ये नहीं है, तो CWE में आके आपको कैसा लगा ट्रेनिंग करना दूसरे एटमॉस्फेयर में? ये डिफरेंट चीज थी आपके लिए बीइंग अ कॉमनर एंड नाउ CWE का, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
मैं तो पहले से मतलब क्रिकेट शिरकट खेलता रहता था, एथलेटिक था, तो मतलब मेरे अंदर एक जुनून था, जज्बा था कि हाँ मैं कर पाऊंगा। मेरा एक सपना है कि मैं एक दुनिया का बहुत बड़ा रेसलर बनूं, नाम कमाऊं। तो मेरे अंदर एक जुनून जज्बा था, तो मैंने वो सब चीजें नहीं देखा, तो मैंने सोचा हाँ मैं कर सकता हूँ। उसके बाद से जब मुझे खली सर ने ट्रेन किया, तो आपको तो पता ही है, उसके बाद तो मैंने आग लगा दी है सारा।
Since childhood, he was in nature an athlete. He was a cricketer, but now he's a wrestler by choice because he loved doing so. And he was somehow, there is a hand of Kalisa in it because he inspired him a lot. He got inspired of doing such things because of him. Today, whatever he is, wherever he is, it is because of his inspiration, that the deep inspiration which he inspired him, and his stories have struggled somehow and wins also there. Both things go hand in hand. He knows that through his stories and all that teach him to be strong and work hard. It's only that can help him, that is working hard and never be disappointed with the situations. This too shall pass. It's what he has learned about his coach.
What do you recall of the day you made your debut as a professional wrestler? How did you felt prior to making your debut, and how do you felt after making your debut?
जब आपने डेब्यू किया ना CWE में, उससे पहले आप क्या फील करते थे और उसके बाद आप क्या फील करते थे?
उससे पहले तो मैं एक नॉर्मल इंसान था, तो जब मैंने अपना डेब्यू स्टार्ट किया तो मैंने डायरेक्ट टीवी शो स्टार्ट किया, तो इतनी बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिली, तो मैं वो बता नहीं सकता वो खुशी कितनी अच्छी थी, मतलब मेरा दिन कितना अच्छा था वो मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मैं एक नेशनल चैनल पे डायरेक्ट मैंने डेब्यू किया है, वो भी मेन इवेंट मैंने डेब्यू किया हुआ है। जब भी मैंने अपना डेब्यू किया तो वो मोमेंट मेरे लिए बहुत ही मतलब यादगार मोमेंट है मेरे लिए।
Yes, he's saying that before this premiere CWE, that he was a commoner and he himself has thought about different things, that what if he couldn't and what if he could. So whatever it was, he passed through these tests and tried to make and give his best. Luckily what Khalisa did, he allowed him to perform in main event, which is a good thing for him, that helped him to build up more. It is because he himself, that Khalisa has seen something, that he has some courage, that desperation, he can do and can handle everything very cleanly. So that's why he allowed him to perform in main event, which was कब हुआ था?
पिछले साल हुआ था वो, अप्रैल में।
Okay, 1.5 साल पहले। Okay,
हाँ
so it is he feels proud of himself that he has, as a newcomer, when he started his training in CWE and he was allowed to perform in main event. That is a very good thing, and that supported him a lot. His energy was boosted up, and yes, of course, he's thankful to his coach as well.
What do you recall the day you won the CWA World Heavyweight Championship? How do you felt, holding the belt, looking at it for the first time?
सर पूछ रहे हैं CWE हेवीवेट चैंपियनशिप जब जीती आपको कैसी फीलिंग आई?
उसको वो मोमेंट तो मैं बता नहीं सकता है कि मैं इतने दिनों से मैं मेहनत कर रहा था, तो आखिरकार मुझे वो फल मिला। तो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स का थैंकफुल करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे सपोर्ट किया, और मेरे खली सर का भी मैं बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर इतना काम किया, तो उस लायक समझो तब जाके मैं बना चैंपियन।
He's saying that he was that happy that he don't have words right now to explain his feelings that were out of moon. He was out of moon on cloud nine. He loved that moment as well, and he's thankful to his parents and his coach as well, because he's whatever he is because of them only. And he wants to pursue this more and want to make his debut in WWE in future.
What does CWE means to Badshah Khan? Like the organization, the company, the three letters, what does it mean to you as a person?
आपके लिए CWE क्या महत्व रखता है, कितना इम्पोर्टेंट, क्या ये आपके लिए सिर्फ अल्फाबेट है CWE, या आप एक एज अ बिजनेस देखते हो आप इसको, या आपको ऐसा लगता है ये वो जगह है जहाँ से आपने कुछ सीखा है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये मेरे लिए ऐसी एक जगह है कि जहाँ से मैंने अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया रेसलिंग का। तो ये मेरे लिए मतलब बहुत ही एक, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि एक यादगार जगह है जो मतलब इंसान बता नहीं सकता। यहाँ से मैंने अपना रेसलिंग का करियर स्टार्ट किया, सब कुछ तो मैं बता नहीं सकता।
He's saying that this place is very important to him as his career has boosted there. That's the only place where he could make his dream to come true, and he will never forget this place. It has his heart, where he has been coached, trained, and everything. Yes, he had some hard work to do more still, and in future he too has to work hard. But this place is something which he would never forget. It is in his heart and will remain there.
What does the people of Jammu and Kashmir, your neighbors, your friends, your family, and all the people from your region see when they see you? You're one of the top 3 wrestlers in all India right now. You're the maximum champion in India right now. Not being, being yourself the first wrestler from this region, not, that wasn't that common over there. So what do they see when they see you?
जो जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के लोग हैं वो आपको क्या देखते हैं? अब जैसे कि आप पहले थे, अब आप CWE के 3 रेसलर्स में से टॉप 3 रेसलर्स में से, आपको कैसा फील होता है, या उनको जब आपको देखते हैं उनको क्या लगता है? अब क्या हुआ है, कितनी चेंज आई है आपके इससे?
बहुत ज्यादा चेंज आई है क्योंकि मुझे जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग बहुत ज्यादा प्यार करते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, तो उससे मुझे और ज्यादा बूस्टअप मिलता है। तो मुझे और ज्यादा मोटिवेट होता हूँ। तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि नहीं, मैं करूंगा, मैं कभी हार नहीं मानूंगा। तो उसके बाद से क्या बोला?
उसके आपको लोग अब कैसे देखते हैं वो बताओ, इंस्पायर?
हाँ, मतलब अब मुझे एक लोग ऐसे देखते हैं कि एक इंस्पिरेशन मानते हैं कि हाँ भाई, अगर ये कर सकता तो हम क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं। तो रही टॉप 3 रेसलर्स की बात, तो वो तो मैं बता नहीं सकता अभी।
As he said that yes, Jammu and Kashmir is underprivileged area. People there don't have any idea about wrestling, but today when they see me, they themselves get inspired, because where they are right now they are in underprivileged state, because through this pandemic and all, India is an underdeveloping country, and we don't have resources to provide platform these youth, but when they see me, they see that their future, they can make their future in it. They can work hard. Yes, it is something where they can make their future bright. Initially, yes, he had faced a lot of problems because people don't like it, as you know, our old set of mind that only education can provide jobs and all that thing that we have, that Indians have. I must say this, that Indians have, but now through game he's gaining attention, becoming famous, people are liking him, then they are inspiring them, they get inspired with him too. That's a good thing about him.
Perfect. Now you have the opportunity to see wrestlers like, I don't know, Sanjir, Shanky, Veer, Mahabali Shera, among many others, Kavita Devi, who had the opportunity to perform in the United States for companies like WWE, for companies like Impact Wrestling in the case of Mahabali Shera. How do you feel knowing that this is possible, like that you can actually wrestle for WWE, like you can wrestle for Impact, for AEW, for Ring of Honor, for all these companies? Before it was not that possible. You only had the Great Khali. Then, you know, he opened the doors for all the people in India right now, and it is a thing that is possible. It is, you know, it's something that you can do. Have you analyzed this with, you know, with the seriousness that it takes? Like, you've been here inside this industry for 5 years. You've basically done it all already in India. Are you willing to do, you know, to do that, to take that step as your partners?
जैसे कि शंकी है, महाबली शेरा है, ये लोग WWE में है अभी। आपको क्या लगता है, जैसे CWE में अभी आप हो, आप आगे जाके, आप इतने साल से CWE में हो और उसके आगे जाके आप क्या कर सकते हो इस चीज में? आप कैसे इस चीज को देखते हो? या आधा मुझे खुद समझ में, आधा मैं आपको समझा रही हूँ। तो फिर जैसे बाकी सारी चीजें हैं, आप WWE में है, जैसे कंपनीज है, WWE है, AWE, आपको कैसा लग रहा है अगर आप CWE में इतने सालों से हो, आगे चल के आपका क्या रहेगा जब आप आगे जाओगे, जो भी आपके फर्दर कंपनीज हैं?
बस यही है कि सबका ड्रीम होता है कि अगर कोई मुझे एक बहुत बड़ी जो कंपनी हो मुझे हायर करे, तो एक रेसलर की वही सोच होती है कि अच्छी कंपनी मुझे हायर करे, जैसे WWE होगी, AEW होगी, वो अच्छी कंपनी जो हायर करेगी तो रेसलर के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा वो मतलब एक खुशी होती है, क्योंकि वो इतनी मेहनत करता है, इतना स्ट्रगल करता है अपने पैसे के लिए, अपनी डाइट के लिए, अपनी हर एक चीज के लिए, तो वो उसके लिए बहुत ही खुशी की बात है, मतलब वो बता नहीं सकता हूँ।
Yeah, he's saying that he's happy for them, Shanky, Mahabali Shera, who are in different companies and they are making our country proud. He wants to make the same thing by doing hard work. As he himself is an athlete and by choice he's a wrestler. He knows how hard work they have done to be there. And that's what he's expecting from himself, that he will work hard and be there and want to pursue more and want to be whatever he had, his dreams, and want his dreams to come true by this way or that way. But he's that kind of personality who will never stop or quit.
There were rumors or reports that WWE was going to hold another WWE tryout on Mumbai, either 2021 or 2022, and Badsha Khan's name was on top of that list for that tryout. Are the rumors true? Were you scheduled to be, or are you scheduled to be on the next tryouts in Mumbai?
सर बता रहे हैं जो WWE ट्राई, चाहे रूमर्स थे ऐसे कि WWE ट्राई आउट जो मुंबई में होने वाले हैं, आप चाहते हो वहां जाना? वहां पे आपका नाम आएगा एज बादशाह खान, आपको वहां पे जाना पड़ेगा। उस चीज के लिए आप क्या करना चाहोगे?
बिल्कुल
क्या है?
बिल्कुल, मैं क्यों ना जाना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि मैं इतनी मेहनत उसी चीज के लिए कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं उस मौके को गंवाना नहीं चाहता, वहां पे जाना चाहता हूँ, अपना परफॉर्मेंस दिखाना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं उसी चीज के लिए तैयारी कर रहा हूँ इतने सालों से, कि मुझे एक मौका मिले, बस मैं अपने आप को प्रूव करके दिखाऊंगा 101%।
Yes, he is saying that it is his dream to make debut in WWE, and he won't leave any chance, any 1% of chance of it, if he had that opportunity to be there and to give his tryout, because it is the only way where he can suitcase his talent. that will be the best thing for him, and he's only working for hard for that thing to be in some companies like WWE, AEW, wherever, and he want to make his country proud, himself proud, his state proud, because he himself know where he comes from, and he can become the inspiration of a lot of youth and a lot of people out there.
India right now is one of the hottest places in terms of pro wrestling and its ratings. For example, the ratings for WWE in India are higher than the ratings in the United States. AEW now has, they decided to broadcast the programs over there as well. Impact Wrestling, like everyone is looking at India as a big opportunity, the companies and everything. You are living there, you are wrestling there, you are experiencing the fans every single time. To Badshah Khan, what does the fans in India have that makes it different from every part of the world?
जैसे इंडिया अभी है ना, जैसे बहुत सारी कंपनीज अभी AWE है, वो बता रही है कि हम इंडिया में करेंगे, जो भी उनका ये भी होने वाला है ना, जो भी कंपनीज आने वाली वो इंडिया आने वाली है, और आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी देना चाहती है कि इंडिया में ही वो हायर, अभी जो हायर रेट है वो सिर्फ इंडिया का ही है, और वो चाहते हैं कि वो इंडिया में आके लोग आपको वहाँ पे हायर करें. आप मुझे बताओ, जो आपके फैंस होंगे वो क्या डिफरेंस होगा उनमें थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड, जो पूरी दुनिया में, या जो वहाँ पे आपके अपने फैंस हैं?
वो तो मतलब इतना एक्साइटेड है पहले से कि तू बताते रहते हैं कि तू कब जाएगा WWE में, कब दिखेगा हमें, तो इतना ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हो तो उनके लिए वो खुशी का वो मोमेंट होगा, एक बहुत बड़ा मोमेंट होगा. और रही बात है कोई कंपनी मुझे हायर करेगी, तो वो तो कोई भी कंपनी मुझे हायर करे उसे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरे लिए वो बहुत बड़ी चीज होगी, क्योंकि मैं उसी चीज के लिए मेहनत करता हूँ.
Yes, as he said that his fans keep texting him, mailing him that they want to see them on high platforms, and it will be the best feeling for them as well. They want him to see on Sky, and yeah, of course, because they know where he comes from, what struggles he had than other rest of the world, because they only see the Badshah Khan, but they never had seen the Arif Salim Boru, who he was, from a small common boy from a remote area of Jammu and Kashmir. And from, of course, he loved his fans throughout the world, but the happiness of his own people who are living with him, that will be the different, because they know where he comes from and where he is today.
Last but not least, what makes Badshah Khan smile about the pro wrestling industry? What's the thing you like the most about pro wrestling?
आपको रेसलिंग के बारे में जो सबसे ज्यादा आपको खुशी देती है, हैप्पीनेस खुश करती है, वो क्या चीज है? जो आप रेसलिंग करते हो ना, आपको वो क्या चीज है जो आपको खुशी दिलाती है, जब आप हार्ड वर्क करते हो, फिर आप जीतते हो?
उसके सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये डिसिप्लिन सिखाती है. उसके बाद मेरी अपनी फिटनेस को मतलब रखने के लिए मुझे ये सब सिखाती है. उसके बाद से मतलब मुझे हर एक चीज है, मतलब जिससे मैं अपनी सारा कुछ पेट है, जितने भी मतलब सब कुछ है, सारा कुछ मतलब यही है मेरे लिए. अब जैसे एक जरिया होता है, तो वो जरिया मेरे लिए सिर्फ रेसलिंग है, हर एक चीज.
The discipline which an athlete which his wrestling has taught him about to be a wrestler is his discipline regarding to his diet, his physique, and above all, the thing which made him happy is that whenever he worked hard for any championship and he won that make him proud of himself and make him happy.
I want to say something in Spanish. Pueden seguir a Badshah Khan en todas sus redes sociales, en Facebook como Badshah Khan, en Instagram como Badshah_Khan_wrestler o Badshah_Khan_wrestler, en Twitter como Badshah Khan, también lo pueden seguir en todas sus redes sociales. Un talento emergente de India creciendo drásticamente en esta industria, el campeón mundial peso completo de CWE en India, entrenado personalmente por The Great Khali, mide 6'2", tiene 5 años de experiencia, es un joven de 23 años de edad de una de las regiones más poco privilegiadas de India, que se convirtió en el primer luchador de esa región y logró conquistar un sueño. Si él pudo hacerlo, ustedes también definitivamente pueden hacerlo. Badshah, it's been an absolute honor to have you here as our guest, and thanks to you as well, Ariana. Always wishing both of you success in your careers and in your personal life, and let's hope to see you in WWE really soon, man, because you're really talented.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you, and let's wrap this up in Spanish. Este fue Badsha Khan, el campeón mundial peso completo de CWE en India, y Michael Morales Torres para Lucha Libre Online, la marca número 1 de Pro Wrestling y Combat Sports en español.